Hi there, I'm Charlene Hall, your East Texas Realtor, and I am so excited to tell you all about 4911 Sunrise Drive in Chandler, Texas, right on Lake Palestine. These sellers have just decided to include with this property, which is already an amazing property, but they're including 15 lots that are located directly across the street from this home. It's approximately 2 acres, and I mean, just an incredible value that they've decided just for a limited time only that it will be included in the sale of this property for the $899.9 purchase price that they have on it right now in the listing. So this already incredible oasis of a property with the gorgeous new pool, the new boathouse. I mean, it's just an incredible property. Look at that. It has a built-in hot tub, a little sitting area with a table. They included and built this gorgeous outdoor kitchen, so it's perfect for entertaining on those hot summer days. You can hang out by the pool and such, and then you can also have a group that goes down and takes out the boat or the jet skis and just has a great time. There's a fish cleaning station that they've also added. This home is actually on 3 different lots, so you've got, like, I think it's approximately a half acre that this whole property is on. But isn't this just gorgeous? You sit out there with your coffee and watch the sunrise, and it's just absolutely stunning. This property has everything that you could ever want, all in one package. So look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? You have a electric boat lift, and then a dual jet ski lift, as well as a paddle boat or a kayak slide down, and then steps up to the retaining wall that the sellers also added as well. And then in the interior, you have a formal dining room. You also have a separate office. It's just absolutely beautiful. 3-bedroom, 2-bath with the office, and then also the dining room. With that, the stone fireplace is a gorgeous focal point. And along the whole back side of this home, you have big, huge windows that you can just look out to the lake, and you can see the sunrises, and you can just see that beautiful water view from anywhere in the house, honestly. All of the bedrooms have the windows in the back. Every single bedroom you can see the lake, which is rare to find in some of these properties, but they did a really good job when this home was actually built to utilize all that scenery. And you have a secondary guest bathroom, of course, for the other 2 guest bedrooms. But see, that looks right over the lake. Just an incredible property. There you have your little kitchen nook, and then granite countertops. They actually redid the cabinets too when these people moved in, and a gorgeous master bedroom with a full bath, a separate soaking tub, and a shower. Nice walk-in closet. This property really does have it has it all, especially with 15 additional lots. I mean, that is rare. So you need to give me a call as soon as you can, and I will get you into this property and explain more about it. But I look forward to hearing from you. Give me a call. This is Charlene Hall, your East Texas Realtor.